Hello everyone, I'm Melisha Lafava. Me and my team members Kanish Chabra, Kevin Zeng, and Yingxia Bai in the Group 2 Syrngists are developing a social media application for university students which is called Stoofy. We have completed the deliverable 1 submission documentation and we are currently working on deliverable 2 documentation and prototype developing. We have completed the wireframing and we have used Decide framework for usability testing, and we are currently developing the Decide framework. The version controlled implementation plan spreadsheet is used to divide work among the group members, and this version controlled spreadsheet is completed by one of the group members each week after the group team meeting we have. We use Just-in-Mind tool for our prototype, and as you can see on the screen, with regards to the status of the prototype, our front-end developer is adding pop-up notifications, detailed profile screen, viewing complete messages, color changes when the messages are read, and accessible tabs to the 4 different screens we have: the PA discovery screen, message screen, post, and project screens. Our group works collaboratively by having weekly meetings each week. We have regular group chats and continuous communication through a WhatsApp group. All members are prompt with their replies in this group chat. In the case of a team member needing help, the other members help the team member with no hesitation. Overall, we have a collaborative work structure through prompt replies and clear communication.
Hi, so today I'll be talking about the questions that we came up with to get better understanding of users' needs and goals. Before that, I have to explain that we came onto these needs and goals based on the personas and user stories that we developed in the previous weeks. And as a team, we decided our platform will be aiming to solve the given needs and goals of the users, which you can see on the screen. I'll just highlight them for you. So, based on these needs and goals, we decided our questionnaire that we'll be asking users to fill. So, the questionnaire consists qualitative and quantitative questions, as you can see on the screen. And yeah, so pretty much for the qualitative questions, they were there because they will give us better understanding of individual users perception on the problem, because they are a bit open-ended, and the quantitative questions will give us a better idea of users needs as a whole in an objective way. So, since we already have an understanding of users' goals and needs, this questionnaire aims at reinforcing them, rather reinforcing our understanding of their goals and needs. So, yeah, pretty much the questionnaire consists of the both the qualitative and quantitative questions, and yeah, we'll be analyzing the qualitative ones individually, and we'll be using a lot of statistical methods of analyzing to get an objective understanding for quantitative questions. Thank you.
In the second version of our prototype, we updated the functionalities of the controls in each screen of the prototype. In the home screen, we added animation to the like button, just so the user knows when the like action is conducted successfully. When the comment button is clicked, a keyboard slides up and an input box appears, which allows the user to enter a comment on this post. The Share button shows a menu of different options that can be selected by the user to share the post, including Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and so on. In the project screen, each project is displayed as a card. There are 4 options on a card. The first button allows the user to send a request to the project owner to ask for permission to be a contributor of the project. A notification shows up when the request is successfully sent. When the second button is clicked, a keyboard and an input box appears. To take a comment on this particular project from the user. The third button allows the user to start a conversation with the owner. The last button saves this particular project to a project collection that holds by the user. In the post screen, the user can choose to either publish a new post or a new project. For a new post, the user needs to provide the photo, title, and the description of the post. He or she can also choose the privacy setting to control who can see this post. A notification box shows up when this new post is created successfully. As for a new project, the same attributes are required for the new project, plus 3 additional fields, including the number of people required, the field name, and the discipline.